Hi, Judd here, and about to do one of my favorite things, not working on my car. Just to give you an idea, there's the baby, and the problem is my headlights are dull. I mean, at times it's like I don't even have lights. I've polished them and I waxed them, both of which helped a lot, but don't last. And inside of those is so far gone that I've just got to replace them. So those are the new ones, and for the next who knows how long. You got to take so much apart on this to do that. I am changing the headlights. Enjoy. Now the interesting thing is, when I looked up on the net for how to do this, there were two completely different ways to go about it for the same car. I've got a third here. There's a side bolt coming in this way. I don't know if I can even access it, but it's also 10 millimeters. The first screw I took out was here, and that went straight up and down, so that was easy to get out. But now this one is up here, and it's going this way. It wants to come out that way. It's holding this little metal tab that is part of the headlight assembly onto some stupid thing, and that was not in any of the videos I saw, and that's proving difficult. So that's what I'm doing now. There are also supposed to be two interlocking cover panels under here that are missing from my car, so that saved me having to take them off, but that's another step that you have to do if your car is intact. See, that's the piece that was going in this way. Very hard to get at. This white thing I saw, that's for adjusting the aim on your headlights. But the main thing was this side one, down in here. It actually goes into a tab that's part of this frame. God, what a pain in the butt. Now, we just hope the new headlights are the same. There's no bulb in here. So I'm going to have to change the bulbs. But, just to show you, that's what this one looks like. And that's what this one looks like. It's a little bit clearer. So this is tricky. Now, by the way, everything I have done here is just to change the light bulb. Not even, if you don't even need to change your headlight, just changing the light bulb, you gotta go through all that. Okay, the tabs were not quite lined up, the holes, so I bent them down a little bit and got it to go on. And I'll tell you what, I'm gonna check things out. The bolt that goes up and down I shouldn't have taken out, because that's holding the fender in place. And now the bracket for the fender does not line up to the headlight. I don't know how it moved, but it moved. ain't even a hole there. Sons of bitches. There's not even a hole there for the screw to go into. I've been trying to force it into a solid wall. Whew. Damn. Gee, can't wait to do another one. Okay, that was an hour and a quarter on that one. Bit of a learning curve and a bit of manufacturer screw up. They didn't drill a hole where the screw was supposed to go. So I'm trying to put a screw into something with no hole. Hopefully the next one will be a lot quicker. One thing on the plus side is everything you got to take out is either 10 millimeter or fillets. Oh no, this one's totally different. Holy wow. Totally different. This connector's shot. See, this car was originally owned by somebody else, and they had some backyard mechanic do a lot of work on it, and he did shitty work. Okay, so I put this back on. Now I'm putting this back on. And I forgot to start the camera. Good, and I got to put oil in the car. Oh, that's nice. Rattle around there. At least I'm learning where a lot of my rattles are coming from. There are a lot of rattles on this car. Whew. Okay, so that's it. Everything's back together. Sunglasses. Okay, so theoretically everything's good now. So let's take a look and see what she looks like. Those sure as hell look a lot better, huh? Okay. All my lights are working. There you go. It dawned on me to check online, and yes, you are supposed to wax them even when they're brand new. Keep them that way. Although there are other suggestions for like special coatings and things like that. I have wax on hand, so I use it. My stuff dried very, very fast. Yeah, that's like solid on there now. So if you're going to use real paste wax, I'd say put it on and take it off immediately. Because if it gets too hard, you can just use some Dawn and wash it off and start over. Okay, well, there's a demo of what it takes if you let the paste wax dry too long. So don't do that. Put it on, take it off immediately. Whew. Yeah, that's looking a little better. Happy day to you.